It's official. We have finally hit the 3rd trimester, so welcome to the nesting vlogs. I feel like we have so much to get done before baby girl gets here. Obviously, the nursery needs lots of work. However, that's going to be all in a separate video. This video, we're going to be getting a lot of things done for baby girl that's outside of the nursery. I'm talking laundry, getting all of her clothes washed, folded, put it away, unboxing all of the baby products. I'm definitely going to have to turn this into a series because we have so much stuff to get done for her. So definitely make sure to subscribe if you guys want to nest with me. So let's go ahead and get started. I think the first thing that I want to tackle is unboxing my stroller. I know this can definitely wait until one of the last things, but I'm just so excited to like open it, see what it looks like, and also need to make sure that the car seat adapter's in here because we will definitely need that once baby girl gets here, especially with like appointments and just like going out and about with her and Miles. This is the Zoe V2 twin, I think. There's a lot of different double strollers out there, but I went with this one, that way they can like sit beside of each other. Obsessed with this. I am so glad that we went with this stroller. I put the car seat adapter on and it was so easy. You literally just click it in, you click it out. And I love that it's kind of like higher up. That way if Miles does like kind of want to aggravate her, he doesn't have so much room to do so. I also really like how much it reclines. That way if Miles needs to take a nap, I can just like lay it down. It has a cup holder for me, a cup holder for Miles. And then also once they get like older and they're both toddlers, it has like a little belly bar. And it also comes with a cup holder for her too, like when she gets older and is able to sit like in the seat. I feel like it glides like really well. I haven't tried to like lay it down yet, so I need to definitely do that, but every video that I've seen is like so simple, easy, or at least it looks like it. But, oh my gosh, all right, now I need to go put this in the garage. But I'm so glad that I unboxed it, got it together, kind of got my feel for it. This is gonna be so great. It's been a while since I filmed. I feel like the 3rd trimester is really starting to hit me, and then also we had Easter, and I don't know, I just have not been feeling motivated to film. But today I'm feeling a little bit motivated, 1 to film, but 2 also to start to get baby stuff together. If you couldn't tell, I have taken down pretty much all of my wallpaper samples except my top 2, and then we also brought down my dresser this weekend. Today we are nesting again, and I'm gonna try and get like my diaper caddy filled and ready for baby girl. And of course we have so much more to do, but that's just like my #1 thing while Miles is taking his nap, is to go ahead, unbox this, and get it ready. So let's get started. Okay, I have my diaper caddy out, and let me just say, I was wondering which one it would look better with, and I'm feeling like it goes better with this print. Not that it really matters, I'm sure this diaper caddy is going to be all over the house. Let me know which one that you guys like better in the comments, because I have to order this wallpaper like literally this week, so let me know. Oh wow, this is like really nice. I feel like this is very big, and then of course it also comes with the dividers. This is what it looks like on the inside. I'm feeling maybe like some diapers here, wipes, and then just like diaper accessories like my little diaper spatulas. I'll be honest, whenever I first got these with Miles, I was like, I'm never gonna use these, but I feel like it was one of my most used products, especially whenever you use a newborn and like you're constantly having to put diaper rash cream on them. These are just so handy. If you're expecting and you're thinking about maybe skipping it, I don't know, it was really handy for us. I went ahead and put some burp cloths in here, some diaper cream, obviously the little diaper spatula, some baby powder, and then I'm gonna wait to put any diapers in there because, well, 1, I don't have any newborn diapers yet, but 2, I kind of want to wait. I feel like she'll be wearing newborn diapers regardless because she's measuring smaller than Miles, and Miles wore newborn diapers for a pretty good while. So once I get some newborn diapers, I probably will put them in there. But for now, I feel like this is good. Now I want to fill up this little guy. It's for the car. I have 2 under 2. I just want to be able to have this, and I should have been using this like a long time ago because that way if I do forget something in my diaper bag, I'll have it in the car. And this thing is so cool. You have your wipes in the back. I did put the wipes in there. Once you unbuckle it, it all comes undone. It unfolds into a changing pad, and what is really cool is, 1, it has like the little headrest, and 2, you can also unzip this and take it off like separately. And also on the back where I showed you where the wipes were, when you're changing the baby, there it is, the wipes are right there. I just feel like this is going gonna be so handy, again, with 2 under 2. I just don't want to have to stress about having everything that I need in a diaper bag. If I forget something, I'll have extra in the car. So I'm gonna try and fill this up with some of Miles's diapers that he's wearing right now, a set of some play clothes, and then also I think I want to put like one of her onesies in here as well. So let's fill this up. The first thing that I want to put in here is just a little play outfit for Miles. I always have extra clothes in my diaper bag, but again, what if something happens and I forget it, or I don't know, something explodes in my diaper bag? I'm gonna have extra, so this is gonna be good. I'm gonna put his here. This is just a newborn onesie. I don't know. Having a summer baby is so hard. I'm like, do they need a onesie or do they need a sleeper? But we're just gonna put this in here, and then maybe I'll add like a sleeper later. Now I'm gonna add some of Miles's diapers in here. I think I'm just gonna put them in this little pouch. Okay, this is packed. I'm gonna go put this in my car. This makes me feel so much better. I feel like I've been trying to make this vlog for the past couple of weeks. I don't know, it's just something about the 3rd trimester. As soon as I got into it, I've been so tired. I've been so unmotivated to do anything, whether that's for work or for home. I apologize for not being able to upload last week. I'm trying to stay on schedule and do a weekly video every single week until I give birth. I don't know how practical that is now that I'm like so exhausted, tired. Maybe I may have to start doing bi-weekly. But anyways, we are up in the closet because today I am wanting to wash all of her clothes, or at least some of them. I don't know if you can tell, but I kind of have them all sectioned out that are on hangers, and then I also have them sectioned out in the floor that did not come with hangers. I feel like they're pretty much all light colored, so that's going to be super easy, which is great, but I am now going to have to like go through them again and like organize them by size after we wash them, which is okay. I desperately need to go get some newborn clothes because I literally have 1, 2, 3, 4 things that are newborn. So I'm thinking today Miles and I will go to the kids sale and see if I can find some stuff for her. Just kidding, I found 1 sleeper gown that is newborn, so we have 5 things that are newborn. And then all of these are 0 to 3 that were in the floor, and then of course I have some that are hanging up, so I think we're really good on 0 to 3. Definitely good enough for 1 load, so let's go take these downstairs and get it started. I got all of her newborn and 0 to 3 month clothes washed and dried, and now I need to hang them up. And to be honest, I don't know how we're gonna do her clothes, but for now I'm just gonna hang them up, and then if I need to fold them later on, I'll do that. I thought while I was doing this that I would give you guys a little update because it's honestly been a while since I've vlogged, and I just feel like a lot has happened within like the past 2 weeks. Obviously I already said this, I'm now in my 3rd trimester, which means I've definitely been starting to slow down. I feel like I'm carrying so low, and I'm just feeling every movement, everything. I just feel like nothing fits anymore. I'm starting to get very uncomfortable in all of my clothes and just sitting, and I don't know, even at Bible study last night I was just trying to get comfortable, and it was just hard. But I don't want to complain because I am so excited. I can't wait to meet baby girl. On Friday we did have like a 4D or 3D ultrasound, and it was so cool because whenever we had our anatomy scan, like we really couldn't see her face at all, but this time we were able to see her face. My placenta and then like the umbilical cord was still kind of in the way, but definitely a lot more clear of a picture than we did at the anatomy scan. And going to this ultrasound, I really thought that I would be able to pick a name. I don't know, I just thought, okay, once I see her face I'll pick a name, and that's just not been the case. So I'm still on the hunt for a name, so if you have any name suggestions, let me know. I definitely have some tops that I like, but I'm just not married to any right now. I thought naming Miles was so hard, but I really think naming her has been so much harder because I feel like I already had his name pretty much picked out. But with her, I have like a couple that I like. So I don't know, I need to hurry up and find a name for her. That way I can embroider her a sweater, because whenever I was pregnant with Miles, I embroidered a little sweater, and that's what we took his pictures in whenever we were in the hospital. And I really want to do that for her. So I need to figure that out. That way I can give myself some time to embroider her little sweater. But other than that, I feel like that's pretty much it. Like pregnancy update wise, I am starting to go to the doctor every 2 weeks now instead of every 4, so I think I have a doctor's appointment coming up this week. And she did say at my last appointment that baby was measuring okay, like my belly was fine, the heartbeat sounded great. I feel like we're just smooth coasting until the end. Okay, this is my last hanger. I'm out of hangers. I need to go downstairs and get some more, or I probably need to order some things off Amazon, and 1 being hangers. So I'm gonna fold the rest of these, and then I'll see you guys downstairs because I need to order some things from Amazon, and I'll just show you what I get. My Amazon baby registry discount literally became active yesterday, and I definitely want to put it into use. I have some things that I either don't have or I need new of, and I definitely want to use this discount. And I already have 2 things in my cart, one being the Haka Ladybug. I have the original one, but with Miles, I don't know. I mean, it does the job, but whenever you're breastfeeding, sometimes like either I could break the seal or he would break the seal. And if you know, you know, like any spilt milk just hurts your heart. And so I heard that this one is really good because you just insert it into your bra, and with the other one you cannot. So I'm hoping that this will work out better for us. And then I also wanted to get her some Velcro swaddles. I really love the zip up, and we do have one of the Love to Dream swaddles, but with spit up and everything, you know, you just need a couple extra ones. And we do have some other swaddles that I use with Miles, but they're like boy looking, and I know that doesn't really matter, but I wanted to get her some. So I think I'm gonna get this 3-pack. It's the Comfy Cubs, and it has like a peach, a blush, and a purple. And I don't know if I mentioned this or not, but the discount is 15%, and I feel like that's a pretty good deal, especially if you're gonna buy like bigger items. I know that we want to get like a glider recliner situation for the living room, and 15% off of that is gonna be a big chunk. And then of course, the reason why I came down here is to get some baby hangers. I really love the ones that we have with Miles, but I also want to get some of like the cutesy pearl ones. These are the ones that I have that I use with Miles, and I'm just gonna order some of those. And then on my baby registry, I have the cutest hangers. Unfortunately, these are not a part of the discount, so I could have just got them whenever, but I did get a gift card and also returned some things, so I have some credit on here. They have the white, and then they also have pink, and I don't know, I'm very indecisive. This is what the pink looks like. Then they also have like the white pearl, and I don't know, I just feel like that kind of looks vintage and would go with everything, because some of her stuff is obviously not pink. I'm not gonna get a ton of them because I'm just gonna hang them on this clothing rack, and then everything else I'm just gonna put on the normal hangers. Okay, I think I'm gonna go ahead and order this, and it's literally gonna get here tomorrow morning. But Miles is dying to go outside, so I think I'm gonna end the video here. I'm sorry that 1, I skipped a week, and 2, I feel like this video was just like not that entertaining, but I'm hoping the next few vlogs and videos are gonna be better, so definitely make sure to subscribe. I have to pack my hospital bag coming up. I am also going to order my wallpaper today, so we definitely need to get this nursery going. And then of course, just more nesting vlogs, getting ready for baby girl. I can't believe I'm already in the 3rd trimester. It's literally crazy, but I've got to get this boy outside, so I'll see you guys next week. Bye.